Hey guys, again unboxing. This time I ordered FabFitFun and it's a pretty big box. This is a subscription box and you're getting it every season. So, mine spring was right. I really like the decoration. My friend was telling me that the boxes is her favorite part because it's always so different and so fun. I really like it. So cute. Look, all of my goodies. I'm so excited to see. And for this box, you actually can choose what color and what you want. You have some choices, which is very, very good. Okay, let's see. You're getting a little newspaper. And here, $50 off for HelloFresh. And then my earrings came. I had a choice of black or these beautiful pinkish earrings. And of course, for springtime, I wanted pink. So, these earrings from Etika, I never had any jewelry from them. I can't say anything, but those look really, really pretty. So pretty. I really like it. What do you think, guys? Yes or no? I like them. Okay, let's see what next. Oh, oh, I just love it. Okay, I think this is my coat, my little clutch, or whatever you call it, little clutch, little bag. It looks super pretty. And it's how it looks inside. It has one pocket over there. It's really cute. Okay, and guys, this is subscription box is $50. So every season it's $50, and it's usually products over $200, something like that. So it's always worth it. And I will leave link down below to subscribe. This way you can get $10 off, and yeah, if you want to, just click the link and try this box out. And if you don't feel like that, it's fine too. I still like to do videos for you. So this is my sleeping mask with stars. It's very pretty. Kind of heavy. It has some like a gel in it. So it feels good. It's cool and relaxing for the eyes. I really like it. Next thing, it is massage roller, and it says serious results, serious relief. So yeah, feels good. Pretty cool. Also here I got a little tester. It is Dove exfoliating body polish. Here is anti-aging nail treatment. And also in this little bag I got those lip masks. Before I was getting it with BoxyCharm and I really liked it. So you have a choice to order something else. It was something else, but I choose these lip masks because I really liked it. Kind of softened my lips and kind of plumped them a little bit. So it's really nice. I really like those masks. Let me open this thing. And it is Lip Statement Palette. Well, I never had a lip palette from BoxyCharm, and BoxyCharm was my only subscription before. Oh, that's really pretty. I'm really excited I got a lip palette because usually with BoxyCharm it was lots of eyeshadow and blushes, which is fun, but after a while you just think, oh, I have enough. And I love all of these colors. It's just so pretty. I won't choose any of them to say that I don't like. I'm very excited to play. It will be very fun for spring and summer. So cute. And here is little brush. Skin Perfecting Lotion. And I do like this brand. I tried a few things and it was always nice. Fresh Line, number 15. This is a candle. So it has like a copper cup, and inside it's a candle. It doesn't smell too strong, but it smells really nice and pleasant. You know, some candles I think it's overwhelming and I don't like it too much. This is a really nice smell. I'm very excited because I just ran out of my candle and I'm really happy that now I have one more. Well, that's all goodies with my FabFitFun. I really like it, so it's my first time and it was very exciting unboxing with you. Let me know what you received in your box, and also make sure to subscribe to my channel so you can see all the unboxing, and make sure to check out that link if you want to try this subscription. And with that link you can get $10 off from your first purchase, which is good. Hey guys, see you soon in my next video.